Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to send direct message to all followers on Instagram. For example, if you want to send on all of your followers a message at once and you want to start a campaign and anything you want to do on your Instagram profile, then how you can send the bulk message to all of your followers at once if you have many more followers on Instagram. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply check how much messages you can send at once on Instagram. For example, if you select search for a specific person on Instagram Messenger, then you can simply select one person at a time. Now if you want to send bulk messages to all of your followers, so how you gonna do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Play Store if you're an Android user, and Apple Store or iOS Store if you are using iPhone. And here what you have to do, you have to simply search for Instagram bulk messenger. And here what you have to do, you have to simply check the app, which of the app allows you to send bulk messages on Instagram directly without any problem. As you can see, here is an app which is known as bulk message sender. So you can simply install that app, and after that you can simply connect your Instagram account. But you have to make sure that these kind of apps usually steals your data, and they are not very good at their work. So I will recommend you to do not use these kind of apps. Instead of use another correct method which can work for you. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.